Hello guys, welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. And here's the question coming from the Unang Hirit Quiz B. Here's the question. Compute the value of sine 75 degrees and sine 15 degrees. If we are about to multiply the two sines, it will give us the formula of sine A times sine B, which will be equal to 1/2 cosine A minus B subtract by cosine A plus B. And if you're going to substitute this will be sine A and this will be sine B. So that will be 1/2 cosine with a quantity of 75 minus 15 minus cosine with a quantity of 75 plus 15. And we will just simply add this thing up. So, kaya maging kalabasan nito ay 1/2 cosine with a quantity of 60 degrees minus cosine 90 degrees. So, mapapansin natin na pares itong special angle. So, we can easily get the value of these two. Cosine 60, which is 1/2, tapos itong cosine 90, which is 0. Okay? So, we will just take up the formula again. Ayan. So, 1/2 minus 0 will be basically 1/2. Kaya gagawin lang natin, we will just multiply 1/2 sa 1/2 as well. The value of sine 75 degrees and sine 15 is 1/4. Thank you guys for watching.